So this is what I'm going to build. It's a barn style workshop, and if you look to the right you can see there's a lot of stone. The thing is, I'm a DIYer, so I didn't know if I could do it. So to get the thing going, I went to a quarry and I ordered a load of stone, with the idea being, let's build a test wall. So for the test wall I built a trench 2 meters wide and then filled it with concrete, which gave me a base to build my test wall, and that's what you're going to see now. Well, there you have it, one test wall, and it looks very nice. Well, okay, the light in the evening was quite flattering. This was just a test wall, and it was part of me picking up the skills going from DIY to builder, building a barn style workshop. So if you'd like to see more, please click the link and subscribe, or watch the first video in the series and you can see me get totally out of my depth.